Adding users to your iNet account can be beneficial in a number of ways. It can allow users access to iNet control or allow supervisors to assign instruments to specific users. To add users, navigate to the user administration page found under People at the top of the screen. This will bring up a list of current users and their details. There are two ways you can add a new user to your iNet control account. You will see two options at the top of the screen. The first is the Quick User Add button. You would use this function if you are looking to assign an employee to an instrument, but they do not require access to iNet control. To add a user via this method, click Quick Add Person and enter the details in the pop-up. Then click Add. Once you have a confirmation at the top of the screen that has been added, you can close the window or fill in the details for the next user. Once all users have been entered, you can close the pop-up window. Note that users added via this method will not have an iNet control login. However, access can be provided later if required. The second option to add a new person is the Add New Person button. Use this button if you are looking to provide someone with access to iNet control. To add a user via this method, click the Add New Person button. This will open a new page with various details that need to be filled in. The required fields include username, full name, email address, and an iNet control user ID. You can also choose the iNet account and sub-accounts that they have access to, and the level of access that they should have for each account. Once the details have been filled in, click OK. The user will receive an email with a link to set up their password and will then be able to access iNet control. To manage user details or delete user access, simply click on the person settings icon next to their name and either select Edit or Delete. If you want to learn more about how to get the most out of the iNet control platform, the team at your local AirMet Scientific office are happy to help with any questions you may have.